Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. A few days ago I had the pleasure of a special request by a lady, and she asked me to cook a Greek dish which is called Avgolemono. In English it means egg and lemon soup with chicken. And here it is, and I'm going to show you how to prepare it. And here we have all the ingredients we're going to use for the egg and lemon soup. And I'm going to start by preparing the chicken. I'm going to chop it and then boil it. Before boiling the chicken, I had to rub it with salt and lemon and then wash it. The reason being, nowadays they tell us that if you wash the chicken before cooking it, you tend to spread the bacteria around. So I've used salt and lemon and then washed it. Put the chicken in the pan and, by the way, I'm using the carcass because it gives you a nice broth. Also place an onion, 2 bay leaves and few peppercorns. And I'm going to cover it with water. I don't know how many glasses you're going to need. I think it's about 4 or 5 glasses, as long as the chicken is covered. I'm using 5 glasses of water. It depends on the size of your pan and the size of the chicken you're using. The chicken I'm using is 1.5 kilos. I'm going to put it on the stove and cook it for about an hour and a half. There's no need to cover at this point. Just bring it to boiling point and then you have to simmer it. While the chicken has been cooking, if you see any froth, just skim it out. Just keep an eye on it, every so often check it out. And now I'm going to cover it, not completely, just leave a gap, and I'm going to lower the gas down a little bit. And if the water evaporates, keep adding more water to the pan. After an hour and 20 minutes, the chicken is ready, and I'm going to take it out of the pan and put it on the side. Once the chicken is out of the pan, cover it with silver foil to keep warm. Strain the broth just in case there are any bones left. Reserve a a cup and a half of the broth. And place the rest back in the pan to cook the rice. Cook the rice for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes the rice is cooked and I'm going to turn it off and cover it. And to make the egg and lemon sauce, separate the 2 eggs, and here I've got the egg whites and I'm going to add some salt to it. And I'm going to whisk it until it becomes frothy. And now I'm going to add the egg whites with the yolks. Add the lemon juice and mix. Add the chicken broth to the mixture and whisk very slowly, because otherwise the egg is going to curdle. Add some of the hot broth into the mixture very slowly. The last thing I'm going to do is to add the egg and lemon mixture into the pan with the rice. And I'm going to keep mixing well. And here we have our egg and lemon soup ready. And I'm going to dish it out. And as you can see, it's nice and creamy. You can garnish with some celery leaves or parsley leaves. And then of course you can season as you wish with pepper and salt. And over here we have our chicken. And now guys, it's time for a taste. And of course, you can have this soup with croutons if you wish. But I'm going to add a bit of the chicken. And I'm going to squeeze a bit of lemon and season with salt and pepper. And I'm going to have a taste. Well, I can tell you now, it's absolutely delicious. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and find the time to make this delicious soup yourselves, and also the lady in question does the same. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon with my next recipe. Bye!